Hi everyone, today is Vintage Wednesday for May 19th, I think it is today, May 19th, 2021.
Let me show you something.
Everyone, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet. Thank you so much for stopping in today's Vintage Wednesday, and you guys are going to laugh so hard when you see what I've done. So, before I show you, I will show you something on the dress here. I'll show you the beautiful little pebble stitch dress. Isn't it looking so cute? Oh my goodness, I love it! I had a little trouble with the sleeves, but I sorted it out, and I love that pebble stitch. It's just gorgeous. But now I have another dilemma. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe there's something wrong with the pattern, or I did read the where I found this pattern. Somebody else had commented on the. Let me show you the soaker, what I've got so far. Okay, don't laugh. Don't laugh. Where is it? Look at the soaker. The soaker looks huge. The soaker looks like it would fit when she's 10 years old. It's ginormous. I don't know why I followed the pattern, but I actually didn't make it as wide because I noticed in somebody's comment that she said it was huge. Oh, what's happening here? I have to fix it. I'm still working on it. It's falling apart. But look at the size of this. But I think it's because, like the lady said, I will put a little clip in here somewhere, and I might even actually be reading it to you, that in those days when this pattern came out, the babies wore cloth diapers and they probably had plastic pants over, so their butts were quite bulky. But then we're going to be putting a little ribbon here, or I might just crochet, so maybe have like a drawstring. So I don't know, but they look so big. They're still cute, but they just look huge. So that's where I'm at with this Vintage Wednesday baby pebble. I didn't bring the pattern up with me. I'm doing the video at the end of the day, so I'm tired. I'll put the pictures up. I'll put the name up. I can't remember. It's the end of the day, so. And I just wanted to show you back there, just as a reminder, I don't know if you can see it. I have the Juliet dress, and I have the crochet stole with pocket and sleeve. Cuff, with cuff and pocket and sleeve there. See, I remembered. Okay. So that's where I'm at. If you want those patterns, they're free. First of all, they're on my Facebook group, which is called Craving Crochet. You can go there. I'd love it if you joined so I can see your ginormous soakers. But I've had a few people make the Juliet dress, and they did post it on the Facebook group. So I would love it if you joined, be part of my Craving Crochet family. I'm always putting up patterns, and I try to interact with the audience in the group. So I would love it if you joined. You can also, if you don't want to join, or if you don't have Facebook, go to cravingcrochet.com, and the patterns are there as well. And I'm also wearing my cardigan. This was my first tutorial on my channel. I'll leave a link to it. It's really nice. This is made with a cotton yarn. I really love it. I put peekaboo shoulders on it, but I might actually be sewing them up because I don't know. Sometimes they're not in the right position. I always have to move it around, but I still have some of this yarn. So yeah, so if you want to do this pattern, it's really easy. It's just two large hexagons with this Lacey stitch. and then you just sew them together. You fold them in half, and then you just sew them together. What else was I going to say? Oh, yeah, and then the Fedora hat that I'm wearing, this is from my beautiful friend Marcel of One Virtuous Woman. We did a tutorial trade. I did the Fedora hat, and she has yet to do any of my tutorials. But she, at the time when I did this, it was right before she went through a really hard time where it was just impossible for her to do it at the time. She went through a huge loss. So maybe now, as she's getting settled into her new home, maybe she'll find the time to do one of my tutorials and put it on her channel and say that she's did the tutorial trade with me. That would be wonderful. I would love it. Marcel, I would love it if you did that. But anyways, so she's got this pattern on her channel, and I did my part of it. I actually made it too big. Are you seeing a trend here? I make things big? Maybe not. It's just I have a little head too, but I love the hat. I'm actually really overtired, so I think I need to call this video quits for now, and I'll be back next Wednesday, Lord willing, with my next Vintage Wednesday report. I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share me out, all those good things. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.